Abusuafo Makwaba, and day 15 of learning Python in Chi. Now, previous videos, no, models in Python. And you practice tax boom say, in the video, you be this tax no, and our project no. You have 5 tasks. The first project no, say a basic math model. So, say create a model FNO calculator.py. I have 4 functions. Functions say add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Nti yɛn create that function and a model no. Nti a normal Python file ni be create. Nti be create calculator.py. Nti yɛmfa instructions no gum. Okay, nti ɔsɛ yɛnyɛ dɛn? Yɛn create functions. The functions no yɛ 4. Yɛwɔ add. Functions yɛsua how to create functions. Nti function wey addition, ɛbɛ add 2 numbers. Nti ɛkwan fa declare anaa yɛ define yɛ function no, we use def. Wɔatwerɛ the function name. But function name yɛ add. We have two parameters, A, B. Add the column number, nearby down. So here returning the function and the results of A plus B. Nti actually your function in the actual parameters no. You back down here now. So here returning the results of A plus B. Nti you have a bit more I declare a variable. I will contain the results of A plus B. Now you are returning the results of the results. Sorry. Okay. Nti you define your function any add 2 parameters A and B. Okay, you say add A and B, I return the results. To your first function. To your first function. Then go the next function, subtract. Copy nanya intermediate. The subtraction function in and also you better the subtract function near actual parameters A and B. Okay. Yeah, then the same thing as we. Results is equal to A minus B. Then let's return the results. Yanko multiplication function. Yeah, we say a follow same format into yan copy. We na enyan temai. Okay. A multiplied by B, then you will return the results. Here the next one to be divide. Okay. A divided by B, then I return the results. Into we model nini. To come be so afre. Into create a new file. You fair no fun.py. Okay. Into a new file we know you can fresh a model we know. Into if you can so import a model. You use the import model. Sorry, import statement. Import the model need is a model need the calculator. Same thing as we know. The defining her no. But .py name. And here we need to access to all the functions I was a calculator file. It is here say you perform addition. nti no ase yɛatwerɛ the model name function yɛ den add nti ɛpɛ sɛ add deɛ 5 and 6. Let's print the results. In 11, 5 and 6 are 11. Okay. And the next one, subtraction. You print the results. Calculator dot subtract. Okay. If I subtract 10 and 3, the 10 minus 3, you say, 7. You see the next one, multiplication. You print the results. Calculator dot multiply. You multiply 5 and 8. Yɛnhwɛ deɛ ɛbɛnya. Yɛnya 40. Nti yɛnkyɛke the last one. Ɛyɛ division. Nti yɛmprint the results. Calculator dot divide. Divide 90 by 10. Ɛbɛnya sɛn? Ɛbɛnya 9.0. Nti wohwɛ a yɛayɛ addition ɛni, subtraction ɛno nso ni, multiplication ɛno nso ni, ɛna division ɛno nso ni. Nti ɛho kwan a yɛbɛfa so atwerɛ yɛ code na yɛ import in a different code and a different project na yɛ use. Nti wei na ɛyɛ project 1. Nti yɛbɛtoa so akɔ project 2.